What is hardware? Hardware is all of the physical components or parts of a computer, including mouse, keyboard, monitor, speaker, printer, and it's literally the body of the machine. Hardware is the physical architecture or anatomy of the computer machine that work together. Software, on the other hand, is virtual and works together with hardware to perform a specific operation, task, or function. Types of hardware. There are two types of hardware components, which are internal hardware and external hardware. Internal hardware, known as components, make up parts inside of a computer system or inside of any system, whereas external hardware is anything connected from outside to a computer or any other device.